So this is the question number 22. Question is, if the pth, qth and rth term of GP are ABC, then show that. Let first term of GP be A. Let the first term of GP be A and common ratio equal to R. So it is given that pth term is A. So pth term is A p to the r to the power p minus 1. It is equal to A cube. A r to the power q minus 1. This is equal to B, and r to the power r minus 1. This is the C. So from 1 we can write. So here first term is also A. So we can change the first term will be capital A. Okay? Otherwise you will make the confusion. So it is the capital A. And one more thing is common here. Rth term and common ratio is R. So it is good. Suppose common ratio be R. So change it. Why we do like this? Because here AP term is A, and when we suppose, generally we suppose the first term is A, so we will be confused. So which one is the first term and which is the pth term? That's why we make the change. Now these information are given. So what need to prove? A to the power q minus r. So we can write A r to the power p minus 1 whole to the power q minus r. It's become A to the power q minus r. Similarly, from second equation, A r to the power q minus 1. So it is r minus p equal to b to the power r minus p. And third one, A r to the power r minus 1 to the power p minus q equal to c to the power p minus q. Now we are going to multiply it. A to the power q minus r, b to the power r minus p, and c to the power p minus q. This becomes A r to the power p minus 1 whole to the power q minus r. In second bracket, A r to the power q minus 1 whole to the power p minus q into A r to the power r minus 1 whole to the power p minus q. So we can write A to the power q minus r into A to the power r minus p into A to the power p minus q equal to r to the power p minus 1 and q minus r into r to the power q minus 1 into r minus p into again r to the power r minus 1 into p minus q. As you know, in product we add the exponent, so we can write a to the power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q into r to the power p minus 1 q minus r plus q minus 1 r minus p plus r minus 1 p minus q. So we can write r cancel out, a to the power 0 into r to the power. When we multiply this and add, we will get the r to the power 0 also, like this one. It is the pq minus rp minus q plus r plus qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pq pr minus rq minus p plus q. So a to the power 0 means 1 into r to the power pq, cancel out, rp minus plus minus q plus q plus r minus r plus qr minus plus p minus p. This equal to 0. So r to the power 0 equal to 1. It means the value of this one is the 1. A to the power a to the power q minus r, d to the power r minus p, and c to the power p minus q equal to 1. Now see the question number 25. Question number 20. If A, B, C, D are in GP, A, B, C, D are in GP, then show that A square, B square plus C square and in second bracket B square, C square, it is equal to AB, BC, CD whole square. AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Now solution. Since A, B, C, D are in GP, so we can A equal to A, B equal to AR, C equal to AR square and D equal to A R cube. Listen, here A is already here. So in first term we consider as a capital A. Okay. Now take the LHS. In LHS, A square plus B square plus C square in first bracket, second bracket, B square, C square plus D square. It is A square plus A square, R square and C square equal to A square into R to the power 4. In first bracket, second bracket, B square means A square, R square, C square, A square, R to the power 4 and D square means A square, R to the power, Q square means 6. Here we can take the common E square. So we can write 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. And here we take A square, R square. You will get 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. So this can be written A square. So A to the power 4, R square, 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4 whole square. When we take the RHS, RHS means AB, BC, CD whole square. AB, BC plus CD whole square. Now I am going to put this value. So A equal to capital A and B equal to AR. AB plus BC. AR and C equal to AR square plus CD. C equal to AR square into AR cube. So what is common? Whole square. So when we take A square, here when we take out, it's become A to the power 4 because A square here. This is the R. When it is out, this become R square, it will become 1. Here A square is common and R is common, so it is R square here. A square already common and R is common, so it becomes R to the power 4 whole square. So take, see, LHS and RHS equal to RHS. Thank you, student. Rest thing I will explain in the next class. Thank you.